Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs in a pot. First, crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk everything together until the yolks and whites are fully combined and slightly frothy. This ensures a consistent texture and flavor throughout your eggs. Now, pour your whisked egg mixture into the preheated, lightly greased pot. Keep the heat at medium-low to prevent overcooking. Stir gently and continuously with your rubber spatula, making sure to scrape the bottom and sides of the pot. This technique helps create soft, fluffy curds and prevents any part of the eggs from sticking or burning. Continue stirring until the eggs are mostly set but still look slightly moist and creamy. This is a crucial step for achieving that perfect fluffy texture. Remove the pot from the heat just before they are fully cooked. The residual heat in the pot will continue to cook the eggs gently, ensuring they don't become dry or rubbery. Your delicious scrambled eggs are now ready to enjoy. Transfer them to a plate and serve immediately for the best flavor and texture. You can garnish them with fresh chives, a sprinkle of shredded cheese, or a dash of hot sauce if you like. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.